COVID-19 area ebebesum eyewiase afa na chese edi atese kunkum nkrofo ma chese dodo na yadofo no dodo na na yahwere ewo emu yaye nim from 2020 yare yi eba ye di dwuma wo bebedi ye ba bibi manyi emu ensoso na chese ye de nyama adom ennam se ye mpanifo ensoso di nchehye ye ne nyomegu akwam na chese yetimi edi sun kakran na chese ano nhede anya de se de na awahodo so ekoso ewo ehon na enum na chese ye 2021 ya ehunu vaccine ekokopiemu ede eba ya na dodo na ekase vaccine ya ebedia ede wo how na eba and titu krampo eni ye bibremayi emu hanu mode na chese wo mode ba ababa beyi dodo na ede fratas for asasi association so mu ne se ye de wunya se wo se ye wu according to conform sama na wo mokeka ede efa vaccine no ehu intina dodo na susu se vaccine de ba enya de se wo mo be wona ene awone echeji sempeni for awo na ebrebe piemu ewo Ghana hanu mo susu ye mampanyi na dodo nkwa ekufo adom ene na pamfo eyeden ewo ya na tese dodo na hu ni se so ma wo dia na surobia enim enti ene ogun frontliners so na wo mo ewo ene presenters media ehu na ba na mo se wa mi mo bola rain wo mo kika so wo mo so wo mo ede na ebusia form ene day asibia pd afrimu abaye kokobra Florida emanu emu edia ma mi bia ni dia mama mbeto edwa ede wo na wo onyem ena okokwo vaccine na ebra okokwo ye na busuafo na chete wakwa akwo non baby with antibodies na chete wo akoda no ewie no akoda no ye jede hu ne bobre eyie papa bia esa ena edimu ensoso eno omahunu vaccine no ebi ewo aba akoda no emu anase ne banu emu na no ena je say every alarm ede ama ensemie enwo dodo na ka say na say vaccine de say apemfo na wo mo breastfeed wo mo ma enwo an eyesa ena etie ede na nso som akwanya nso da ho ede ma wo mo nyim wo mo breastfeed se eye wo mo epe on their own free will and before say ma wo mo enwo ede na nso say wo mo pese wo mo enwo dia eno die onu atimi de ne ho kwasa mia na mepe inti me pese menye den menwo na nipa ye ka no asemi nsem ebeto odwa no na chese wo no so no wo ye frontliner a chese wo ye adwuma ede boa ne maye no nti no wo kokko ewo ye na wo eye baby girl baby girl Palm Beach country Florida ehon a chese akwada no abaye akwada be o mu sheda na eno ena ama enede Dr. Paul Gilbert ebekasa ede efa ho na say no wodin nsem no etu yosi to our knowledge it was the first in the world that was reported of a baby being born with antibodies after vaccination. The baby's mother is a frontline health worker who had the vaccine when she was 36 weeks pregnant. We ene Dr. Paul Gilbert Nensema wodi etu edwa wo chiroma na chese mami said the name kan we frontline health worker wodi ebwa ni man an say odi ni dwuma said ye say na efata na wo take vaccine on ankasa ni willing say wo na person wonye de wonwo na wo ye na wo ewie ye no na chese wo makwa hu antibodies ni bi of the vaccination ni bi wo akwadanu emu na ekwan a wo mo efa so a chese wo mo edi ehu no na chese akwa ye asema asefem na no na wo mo edi etu edwa na se wo mo ekasem vaccine no ana se doses no edi wo mo amakwan ana se wo mo makwan se obi a wo ne third trimester of pregnancy between 29 to 40 weeks no wo ni kwan se wo ye den wo de na nso so wo mo epe no na wo mo makwan se wo kasa wo pe se wo pese wo konkɔ wo de a wo kokɔ wo na no na mama mi nso so etu sa anamon ya wo de ekokɔ wo ya kese wo kokɔ wo a ensem aye say buruja ewo ehonu ma sisi ama doctor for no edi wo mo ensem no echechim no to asu bi no say it is unclear if those babies were still in the womb when the samples were taken with the Florida case, the first known instance of a baby being born protected against COVID. Now, Dr. Gilbert Nkwam, one a colleague Dr. Chad, wounded, and now woman so it is unclear whether babies born to vaccinated mothers have enough antibodies to protect them from a COVID infection. That is a one more or enough antibodies a bit me protected a woman free COVID-19 no because woman will be there or being your mouth with me one pioneer being and you may be one more with me one else. So now one will say wait a bit me and Susan so a year apada young no so my baba won't a bit me or how a day a say a form when a year as someone a pimu every year Florida minu a muta or bow him as a COVID-19 vaccine will be now baby girl and simpy and a day every more abandon no and amado dona eka say there be a drum no and no maybe one and this a woman check now one and you say radium nipa sumesi we are saying a day bro we saying a day bro we or house in a day no want to be 50 precope and fa a drone and bam na a chain for 4 and 1 ma woman ya hawan and one say a drone will be a say a new council will be Mobakaya Bridget Otu or Babontin and but just one who didn't tell one as a near woman and doctor actually said only cancer or the war because it's me infection or ma our dear woman and yet say it's me cause Obama needs me a barren they can't a year now no air raising an alarm every magana for an answer to one yourself and you know my who said don't know said the air quack ban as a should then see P our family they are only a young so my year one went me and you should move and found so will be our name so what how I develop will be a breastfeed or what how I develop will be a one or what how I bet media brand not to say I didn't know a young who a year we are seeing much as a Ludona a digger slow and abato a year we are say afternoon as soon as everything for me DSM what shall it is say no all my 1 hour every year now a woman so in your Emma and a day and a year from and a woman more young so one tongue so and I said no enjoy everything for him so dear me de aba drew a year walk no ano so to me chair waging ever and Fabra I will too much GH or comment section if you want to like your videos not share or all the social media platform as so following our IG page and your Twitter page for too much GH _ Facebook too much GH Chris Kappa and me that's an Ebesan Eddie Asia Ebi Macra.